Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be discussing a topic of CRPC, that is chapter 6, processes to complaint appearance. So basically this chapter is divided into four parts. First is summons, that is 61 to 69, and then we have warrant of arrest, that is 70 to 81, and then we have proclamation and attachment, that is from 82 to 87, and then we have other rules regarding processes, that is 88 to 89. So basically summon is basically a legal document not defined in CRPC. It is issued by the court and issued to accused, witness, complainant, or the third person. Section 61 basically speaks about forms of summons. तो इसमें ये बोला गया है कि it is issued by a court and it shall be in writing and signed by the presiding officer of such court or by any other officer as the high court by high court में from time to time अपने रूल से डायरेक्ट करेगा, and also it should bear the summons should bear the seal of the court. 62 speaks about summons how served. So इसका first clause ये बोलता है कि the summon can be served by the police officer or subject to the rules of the state government. It can be served by an officer of the court issuing it or any other public servant. क्लॉज 2 ये बोलता है कि जो पर्सनली अगर हम कोई पर्सन सम्मन है उसको हम पर्सनली सर्व कर रहे हैं सम्मन, तो उसको हम वन ऑफ द डुप्लीकेट्स देते हैं. द पुलिस ऑफिसर और द ऑफिसर ऑफ द कोर्ट इशूइंग इट और एनी पब्लिक सर्वेंट, तो उसको डुप्लीकेट वन ऑफ द डुप्लीकेट सम्मन का उसको कॉपी देते हैं. थर्ड क्लॉज ये बोलता है कि अगर जो पर्सन या ऑफिसर जो सम्मन पर्सन को दे रहा है, व्हाट ही कैन डू इज ही कैन जो उसके पास जो पुलिस ऑफिसर के पास डुप्लीकेट्स हैं उस पर वो उसके पर्सन सम्मन के सिग्नेचर दे सकता है इस प्रूफ के लिए कि जो सम्मन है दैट हैज बीन ड्यूली सर्व्ड. 63 speaks about service of summons on corporate bodies and societies. So basically it speaks about service of a summons on a corporation may be effected by serving it on the secretary, local manager or other principal officer of the corporation. सो फर्स्ट इसका पार्ट ये कह रहा है कि जो सर्विस ऑफ समन्स जो है जो भी कॉर्पोरेट बॉडीज पे अगर हमें इफेक्टिव करना है तो इट कैन बी इफेक्टेड बाय सर्विंग इट ऑन द सेक्रेटरी, local manager or other principal officer of the corporation or the letter sent by registered post addressed to the chief officer of the corporation in India. तो जब ऑर्डिनरी कोर्स ऑफ पोस्ट से जब वो समन अराइव होता है तो इट शैल बी इट इज डीम टू बी ड्यूली सर्व्ड. देन वी कम टू 64, that is service when person summoned cannot be found. So where the person summoned cannot by the exercise of due diligence be found, the summons may be served by leaving one of the duplicates for him with some adult male member of his family residing with him, and the person with whom the summons is so left shall, if so required by the serving officer, sign a receipt therefore on the back of the other duplicate. तो इसमें ये बोला जा रहा है कि जो पर्सन सम्मन्ड है इफ ही इज नॉट बीन लाइक वो मिल नहीं रहा है, तो जहाँ पर वो रिजाइड करता है वहाँ पर जो उसके साथ जो कोई अदर मेल मेंबर रहता है उसको वो हम लोग समन दे सकते हैं और द इज सो रिक्वायर्ड द पुलिस ऑफिसर कैन टेक द सिग्नेचर ऑफ दैट मेल मेंबर ऑन द अदर डुप्लीकेट समन. एंड ऑल्सो इसमें ये एक्सप्लेनेशन में बोला गया है कि जो सर्वेंट होता है घर का इज नॉट considered as the member of the family within the meaning of this section. 65 talks about procedure when service cannot be effected as before provided. तो जो भी कंडीशंस दिए हुए थे 62, 63 एंड 65 4 में कि आप एक एडल्ट मेंबर को दे सकते हो, आप एक पर्सन सम्मन को डायरेक्टली दे सकते हो, अगर वो इफेक्टिव नहीं हो पा रहा है तो 65 ये कह रहा है कि जो सर्विंग ऑफिसर है ही कैन फिक्स वन ऑफ द डुप्लीकेट्स of the summons in some conspicuous place part of the house where this person summoned already resides, and thereupon court after making such inquiry अगर उसको सही लगता है कि हाँ ऐसा फिक्स हो चुका है तो वो ऐसा डिक्लेयर कर देगा कि जो summons है has been duly served. or order such fresh service in such manner as it considers proper. Then we come to section 6, and section 65 में also it's mentioned कि summons जो है अगर एक person जो है employed है abroad में तो जो अगर सम्मन है हम उसके इंडिया जो उसका इंडिया में हाउस है वहाँ पे फिक्स नहीं कर सकते, तो जो सम्मन है वो दैट वुड बी सेंड टू द इंडियन एम्बेसी फॉर सर्विस, एंड उसके बाद का आगे का प्रोसीजर होगा। लेकिन जो अगर वो एम्प्लॉयड अब्रॉड में है तो उसके जो इंडिया में हाउस है वहाँ पे हम सम्मन फिक्स नहीं करते हैं। देन वी कम टू section 66, that is service on government servant. The first clause says where the person summoned is in the active service of the government, the court issuing the summon shall ordinarily send it in or duplicate to the head of the office in which the person employed in such as such had thereupon caused the summon to be served in the manner provided by 62, and shall return it to the court under his signature with the endorsement required by that section. Such signatures shall be evidence of due service. So basically it's saying कि अगर कोई person जिसके ऊपर summon issue हुआ है and he is a government servant, तो जो person so the court issuing summon जो है shall, तो वो one of the duplicate जो court है one of the duplicates of the summon जो है वो head of the office में भेजेगा जहाँ पर वो person employed है, and after जो the head of the office है what he will do is कि he will take the signature of the person summoned and will return it to the court, and clause 2 says कि जो वो signature है that is the evidence कि the summon has been duly served. Then we come to section 67, that is some service of summons outside local limits. So where a court desires that a summons issued by it shall be served at any place outside its local jurisdiction, it shall ordinarily send summons in a duplicate to a magistrate within whose local jurisdiction the person summoned resides or is to be there served. जब एक summon जो है that is to be served outside the local jurisdiction, तो the court what the court can do is कि he can send one of the duplicates to the magistrate of that jurisdiction जहाँ पर that person जिसको summon issue हुआ है that resides, तो वहाँ पर उस magistrate को वो summon duplicate देगा and वहाँ से वो उस person के पास जो भी officer है वो उसको serve करेगा। Then we come to 68 speaks about proof of service in such cases and when service of serving officer not present. So इसमें ये बोला जा रहा है कि जब summons issued होता है by a court outside its local jurisdiction and at the hearing of the case the serving officer is not present, so in this case an affidavit is made before a magistrate purporting कि जो summon था वो served हुआ था and a duplicate of the summon is to be endorsed with it, and and all the statements shall be deemed to be correct unless the contrary has been proved, and जो भी affidavit देते हैं duplicate के साथ endorse करके it is admissible as in evidence. Clause 2 ये बोलता है कि जो evidence affidavit mentioned है in this section may be attached to may be attached the duplicate of the summons and returned to the court. So जो भी affidavit बन रहा है उसमें जो duplicate of the summons है it should be attached in it and then return it to the court as a proof that yes the summon was duly served to the person summoned. Then we come to section 69, service of summons on witness by post. So notwithstanding anything contained in the preceding sections of this chapter, a court issuing a summons to a witness may, in addition to simultaneously with the issue of such summons, direct a copy of the summons to be served by register of post, addressed to the witness the place where he ordinarily resides or carry on businesses. So अगर so we in 61 में हमने पढ़ा था कि जो summon है that is issued to the accused, witness, complainant or a third person. So it is about the 69 is about the service of summons on witness by post. तो court can issue a summon to a witness, and he can give a copy of the summons to be served by registered post addressed to the person at the place where he ordinarily resides, or या तो he carries on business for personal work. And then clause 2 ये बोलता है कि when an acknowledgement purporting to be signed by the witness or an endorsement purporting to be made by a postal employee that the witness refused to take delivery of the summons has been received, the court issuing the summons may declare the summons have been duly served. So after the registered post जब हो गया witness को where he ordinarily resides or he carries on business over there for the personal works again. सो ऐसा कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट आता है कि द विटनेस हैज साइंड परपोर्टिंग कि उसने जो एंडोर्समेंट है उसको साइन कर दिया है, या बाय पोस्टल एम्प्लॉयमेंट हमें ये पता चलता है कि ही हैज़ रिफ्यूज टू टेक द डिलीवरी ऑफ द समन्स, तो कोर्ट जिसने समन इशू किया है वो ये डिक्लेयर कर सकता है कि द समन हैज़ बीन ड्यूली सर्व्ड वेदर ही एक्नॉलेजेस इट और रिफ्यूजेस इट. So this was section 61 to 69. So section 61 में हमने पढ़ा कि forms of summon क्या होता है and who issues it, and 62 में था कि summons how served, and 63 was about summons on corporate bodies and societies. 64 था कि when the person summoned cannot be found, then we can give it to the adult male member of the family with the person summoned ordinarily resides, and also it is mentioned in the explanation that the servant of the family is not counted the member of the family. And then we have 65 कि जब 62 और 63 या 64 कंडीशंस फुलफिल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं तो फिर क्या करेंगे. तो पुलिस सर्विंग ऑफिसर जो है he will affix one of the duplicates in the conspicuous part of the house where the person summoned ordinarily resides. Then we have section 66, that is the uh, service on government servant, and then we have 67 की जब service outside the local limits करना है सम्मन का. Then we have 68, that is कि the serving officer is not present at the hearing of the case. Then we have 69, that service of summons on witness by post. So please like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.